For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Fremont County and central Colorado, south central Teller County in central Colorado, until 6:30 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over mainly rural areas of northern Fremont County, including Highway 67 between Cripple Creek and Canyon City. The storm is nearly stationary. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Flash flooding will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Fremont and south central Teller counties. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.